welcome or welcome back to my channel. I am super excited to share the Happy Hamper 2024 from Factor Notes, and I'm going to be doing the live unboxing showing you everything that comes in this hamper. Just a quick disclaimer, I do not own this planner or this hamper. This is actually my best friend Lohita's hamper, and she was kind enough to give it to me so that I can share it and review it with you guys. So let's get started. The first item you see after the thank you note is the 2024 calendar, and my friend actually purchased this happy hamper solely for this calendar because she thought this was the cutest thing ever, and I couldn't agree more with her. Every month comes with its own unique design and creatives, and this is basically like a table calendar or a desk calendar, you can say. So you can place it anywhere in your house or on the table, and it looks really cute. Of course, it has every month of 2024, and it also has like 2-3 pages to write down some reminders that you have. Every month comes with its own creative design. There are flowers and like different colors and different patterns, so it's a really cute calendar. The next two items are the family tokens and the friendship tokens, and this is such a cute activity. Each of them basically have these different tokens that you can give it to your friends or to your family members, and they come with their own creative ideas. So for example, maybe watching a movie together, or like having a sleepover together, or taking a painting class together. So you basically gift your best friends one of these tokens, and then they can take it up and use it whenever they want to, or whenever they want to spend time with you. I think this is such a cute way of, appreciating your friend and doing a fun activity together. And I thought it was very nice, very unique, and something that I'm pretty sure Rohita is going to use a lot because she has so many friends. So my favorite was the pizza night token. I would love to get that token from my friend. The next booklet was the family tokens one. So this is basically the tokens you can give over to your family members. Maybe go for like a midnight dinner or a midnight trip. There's a token for a chore-free day. So I would probably be giving that to my mother if I had that token. But yeah, this is just a fun activity again, with something that you can do with your family and something that will help you bond with your family better. The next item in the box is this really cute photo frame. It has like this floral design, and it's very cute. Again, it's like a cutout thing, something that can stand on a desk or on a table. So if you ever want to put a picture of your loved ones or just a picture of yourself, you can, and it's very cute. Another addition to the box is this cards game, and it gives you instructions on how you can play this at the back. All you have to do is get out these set of cards, especially if you're having like a get together or a party or a meeting and you just run out of conversation or what kind of questions to ask, then this card game is perfect for you. You can shoot out random questions and get to know a person and have a really healthy conversation with someone. I found some of the questions to be very deep, meaningful and thoughtful. So this is a fun activity if you want to play with someone you're trying to get to know, or even a friend for that matter. If you guys are super bored and want to play a fun activity, then I think this is really good. The next item in the happy hamper are these page markers, and I found them extremely cute. My only problem with the page markers are they're all pink. I wish it wasn't all pink and it came with like different colors, but I did love the patterns on the page markers. The next booklet is this Letters with Love booklet. It basically features all these really cute cartoons. Like some of them are like animals, there's even the planet Earth, and they all come in like different colors and patterns. Again, this is something useful if you want to send out really cute handwritten notes to someone. The booklet also comes with the instructions at the back cover, where it tells you how you need to fold the page exactly in order to make it an envelope. So I thought that was really cute. The next item is the sticker book, and I was super excited when I opened this. You guys know I am obsessed with like planners and stickers in general, so seeing a sticker book with like 600 plus stickers just got me super excited. Some of the stickers are so cute. There are so many like flower stickers, but other than that there are also very useful stickers like reminders, to do things like that I can actually put in my planner. So I found them very useful. Also, most of the designs are like very artistic and creative, so it just got me very excited when I saw it. The last item before I can show you the planner is this one, which is a collection of cute little cards, bookmarks, and also wall posters. I think this was like my most favorite item from the Happy Hamper, and I mentioned it to my friend also because I am a reader. I love reading books, and having so many bookmarks and like a collection of it is like so cool. I even like borrowed a bookmark from her and told her that I'm keeping it because they're so cute. Also, there are very creative and cute cards, like there's a happy birthday card, but there are like different varieties. So if you ever want to give a friend a happy birthday handwritten card, then you can always choose one. And there are different envelopes again in like different colors that are included in this packet. And it just doesn't stop with the birthday cards. You also have different cards like get well soon card or like a take care card, and there are many unique ideas in terms of cards also. So I thought that was very cute. My favorite postcard is this one, which is You've Got a Magical Aura, and Loita actually gifted me that one with like a handwritten message. Next is a list of affirmations, and it just says take what you need, so you can actually cut out each affirmation and use whichever you want to. You can add it to your planner or anywhere you like. And the package also comes with different wall art. As soon as I saw these, I knew I had to order them right away. I asked Loita, how do I order just these wall art posters, and she told me that they can be bought independently as well on their website. So I went on to Factor Notes and actually ordered this one because I thought it was so cute. Moving on to the final part, which is the planner. I'm so happy that I finally get to flip through and show you the planner. So this one again comes in I think 4 or 5 different varieties. Loita chose the unicorn one because she liked this one the most, but you can obviously go ahead and choose any other design that you like. The first page has a few quotes and like gentle reminders to just be happy and healthy. For the next page, you get some space to just write down your name and maybe put a picture, and it also comes with this top 5 goals in the next page, so you can actually write down your top 5 goals. I love the layout, I love the design of it. I think the creativity of this planner is absolutely top notch. Next is the 2024 calendar, so you get an overview of the entire year, and if there are any specific days you want to remember, you can write them down in the next page. The next one is the 2023 overview. So if there are anything that you are grateful for or you want to write down or reflect about 2023, you can write that down. Next is your expectations for 2024. What do you want to accomplish? Things like that. You also have space to write down your improvement plan. And then there is an entry for the things that you love about yourself. What I like the most about this planner is that it's not just a planner. You actually have a lot of space to even journal down, put down your thoughts, and have like your own personal Q&A. So this is like a perfect gift for someone who wants to have like a planner for self-reflection, self-improvement, but also at the same time it allows them to organize all the activities and reach or accomplish their goals. So I think this is ideally the perfect gift for someone who is an organizer, planner, but also someone who wants to self-reflect and sort of journal their way. Then you have the monthly focus, that is for January 2024. As we begin with that month, you also have space for budget plan, meal plan, and a shopping list. My favorite part of this entire planner is definitely the mood tracker. Every month comes with a unique design and a unique layout of mood tracker again. All you have to do is, based on the mood that you have to color the mountain. And I thought this was such a creative and a unique activity to do. Of course, I have a mood tracker in my planner as well, but it is not as creative as this one. So this was absolutely my favorite in the entire planner. You also have space to again have your monthly reflection, that is end of the month. If you want to write down how it went or just reflect back, you can do that. And every other month comes with its own unique drawing and creative to begin with. And I really like that it also comes with a quote, so it's very inspiring. And the entire planner goes in the same manner. I don't want to go page by page. I just want to show you the fun little things that are there, so you can just see all the great additions in the planner. But obviously, if you like the planner so far, I highly recommend buying this. I can confidently say that Factor Notes did a great job and they've put great efforts to make this planner extremely creative, fun, and also very, very useful for someone who's looking to plan out things and to accomplish their goals. Every month comes with a different mood tracker, and it also gives you space for like a different activity so that you're always engaging in the planner and doing something fun. The only feedback that I personally have with this planner is that the habit tracker is sort of week wise instead of the entire month. So if I personally want to reflect for the entire month and see how I did, I would have to again go back to each week and track it. So I wish they had like a different entry for habit tracker for the entire month, and this planner would have been perfect. But overall, I really love this planner. I love how I can journal and I have a lot of space to write down my thoughts and like things I'm grateful for, which I think are lagging in a lot of other planners. So I'm so happy that this planner gives you the space to self-reflect, to journal, and to also be very, very creative. We finally reached the end of the planner. The last few pages are again for you to fill. You can fill your reading list, your watch list, whatever that you want to enter. There's also a list for password tracker, which I am sort of afraid to fill, but of course if you're not scared then you can fill even that. An EMI tracker, wish list, restaurant list, travel list, basically a list of items that you just want to put in your planner and include them. You can do that as well in the last few pages. And you also have like a vacation packing list and just space to write down for any vacations that you are planning currently. Right at the end of the planner you have a pocket which again comes with additional stickers. So this is like extra stickers for you. If you ever run out of the sticker book stickers, then you can use all of these stickers as well. So you can never have enough stickers. So I was pretty happy looking at this, and I even told Loita that this is probably one of the best parts of the planner because you get so many stickers. You already have 600 stickers, and then you have like again like 10 sheets of stickers to sort of add in your planner. So I thought that was really thoughtful of them. So that was it, you guys. This was the Happy Hamper from Factor Notes, and as you guys know, I actually have the Alicia Souza planner of 2024. Loita bought the Factor Notes planner, so if you ever want to see a comparison video of how the Alicia Souza planner is versus the Factor Notes, then do let me know. I can probably do a video on that next. So these are all the things that come with the Happy Hamper, and I think it's so worth it, especially because it comes in just 2000 rupees. For 2000 I am getting wall posters, like stickers, bookmarks. Personally felt that it was priced really well, but if at all you do not want to spend 2000 rupees, then you also have the Alicia Souza planner, which is coming for 1500 rupees. Anyway, I will be linking down both the websites, the Alicia Souza's planner from where I purchased as well as the Factor Notes planner, the same one, so that you guys can purchase it if you really want to. You can go to the description box and check out the links for it. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope this was helpful, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Lots of love. Bye.